this video for the Decade Makeup series. We are going to be doing the 1960s. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching.
Hey guys, voiceover Rachel here. So for the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Pomade in the color Taupe. Then I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it first right on my eyelid, and then I'm going to go right above the crease. Now I'm going to take a white shimmery shade and I'm going to apply that right on my brow bone. And then I'm going to take my QC Makeup Academy lash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to take my Winky Lux So Extra mascara and I'm going to apply 24-hour Color Stay lipstick. I don't remember.
Okay, so what women wore in the 1960s was, so for eyebrows it was kind of really curly and like with a brow pencil, and then for eyeshadows it was like kind of bluey type of color, and then for blush it was very peachy, and yeah, and then they also had a red lip. So yeah, that was pretty much it how women did their makeup in the 1960s. So here's kind of a little announcement that I had that I talked about in my last video. So I'm going to do, at the end of every single video, I'm going to do like a little hair journey video. So I'm going to be growing out my hair. So I recently chopped it off, or not really chopped it off, I recently got it cut short, and I'm just going to get a nice baseline of my hair, and then I'm going to start doing like, I'm going to be letting my hair grow. So this is going to be my hair growth journey. I'm not going to be doing it in every single video, but every once in a while you'll see this part of the video. So maybe once a month, I haven't decided yet. But yeah, if you all enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys next time. Bye! Goodbye!